Just now I placed longer trend Kotak Bank at 1864.10. Stop loss is placed at 1862.40. Let's see if it takes my order and then again continue its upward movement. About to pick my order and immediately it has to bounce back. Let's watch on some little lower time frame. A good retracement, about to pick my order. Let's watch it on 3 minute. Okay, the bar has been triggered in Kotak. So let's see how it reacts to the level. The buyers in these candles need to get activated here. This is my expectation and price should bounce back. Good show by bulls as of now with increasing volume. It has taken support from the same level without taking my such a small stop loss. So main hurdle is now day high. If it crosses a day high, then easily it can go up. So let's wait and watch now what happens. A very good move above the resistance. I have placed my target order at 1875.95, which is 1:7 risk-reward ratio trade. Very good. I think in this candle only my target will get achieved the way it is going up. Good closing above this day high resistance with increasing volume. So I think my target will get achieved now. Bulls are not ready to give up at this location. There is a typical price action we can watch on 1 minute time frame. This was the resistance broken out, took the support and going up. So I expect it to continue to go up and continue its moment. Not a good candle, bearish volume, but closing is important. If it closes negative, then I need to think of exit because this will be the highest volume among these 2-3 hours. Okay, closing is bearish. Now it's a test of bulls to protect this location. Seeing it also, the volume has significantly increased. Okay. Not a good sign. It has to cross because it had made a trending zone here, bullish trending zone. Not able to break out the resistances. Let's wait for this support. Otherwise, exit at cost is the only option. Okay, second candle follow, bearish candle but low volume, so bulls might be protecting this location. Good protection by bulls here. Now we can analyze the price action very easily. This candle with this increased volume, so this is certainly a bearish pressure, bearish candle. It came down, so bulls were taken out from this level. With which volume? The volume has been reduced significantly, so no need to worry. If volume would have been increased, then I would have exited here. Again, bulls have entered with increasing volume in this candle, bullish pin bar and the follow candle. Now it is interesting to watch at this location. Let's see what happens. A very good fight by bulls. They have protected this level. Only worry is this high where the sellers have started to sell. Once it's taken out, it can easily go up. Still I'm holding. Let's see. Only one worry is whenever we get a bullish volume, there is no follow-up increasing volume. So no clear-cut direction here. Very sideways fight between bulls and bears. Still I'm holding the trade with patience. Though this candle looks like very bearish with increasing volume, trending candles, but no volume compared to this bull's volume and this bull's volume. So I still waited, and this is what I wanted to have increased volume candles, bullish candles. Now they are getting printed on the charts. So now hope that it will break this resistance. What is important after you take the trade is keep your stop loss and stay relaxed. Let price do whatever it wants. Once stop loss is placed, you should not be worried about that trade outcome. And most important, patience is must in trading. If the price crosses this level, then I will trail my stop loss to 70.95, which will be around 1 as to 4, because Bank Nifty is about to break this trend line. And if breakout fails, then it can suddenly come down very fast. So I don't want to take any risk in that trade. Bank Nifty looks like taking resistance from the trend line. Also, there is a strong bearish zone here for Bank Nifty. But since morning it is making higher low structure. This was the chance for sellers to show their power and take the price down. Now bulls need to close above this price to show some strength, otherwise it will be a double top and then can fall. Looks like Nifty has broken this resistance, and now this is another resistance it will face. I'm still holding, but this stock is not matching with Bank Nifty movement, so I'm a little bit worried now. And I think this was the failed breakout, and there will be a sudden now down movement possible because buyers might have been trapped here. I need to manage my position now aggressively. Let's wait for this candle close now. This candle closed bearish. Now I think Bank Nifty will come down. Now I have reduced my target drastically on this level 1 as to 7 level to here 68.40, which will be around 1 as to 2.5 only. I want to be a good trade, but it's okay. Sometimes we have to compromise rather than to take a stop loss. Oh, it is reversing from my stop loss area. Very fortunate it did not take my stop loss. At least I do expect it to take my reverse target. Very dangerous situation now. Still my friends, bulls sitting in this area are still protecting their fort. They're trying their best to protect. Now it's like Arya par situation. Good bounce once again. Bulls are now on the mission of taking my target order at least before hitting my stop loss. Okay, about to take my revised target. Come on, bulls. Last fight. One last spike I require. Okay, finally, somehow bulls helped me to exit. Not a very good trade. Actually, it was a bad trade in terms of risk to reward ratio trade, but it's okay. We can describe this trade as a khaya piya kuch nahi glass thoda bhara aana. But hope so you have learned a little bit of price action and with volume and how to manage the trade. Thank you.